Hi, it's Craig again, and I want to talk to those of you that are considering making a condominium purchase in a 2-unit building. Okay, maybe you just want to buy one of the 2 condominium units in a 2-unit building. What you need to know is that a 2-unit building condominium complex does not have the same requirements as many of the other condominium complexes that are much larger. Specifically, they're unincorporated, so there's no articles of incorporation. And many of the other documentation that you become accustomed to finding and looking and examining for other buildings are not going to be there. So you may not have a formal annual meeting minutes. You may not have a move-in, move-out policy, articles of incorporation, etc. The thing to look for, and what I want you to be aware of, is when you are looking at more quaint, perhaps for those of you that want a mission district location, or those of you that want a Hayes Street location with 2 units, you want more of that traditional Victorian feel. Make sure that you check with your mortgage broker about the opportunity for there to be a streamlined review. We recently had this case happen on a property that we sold in Fell Street. A streamlined review or a limited review by the lender, if it's allowed, will allow the process to go a lot easier for you, and there's a greater chance that this is going to actually close and that you're not going to have a deal fall apart, which is extremely stressful. So again, be sure to check with your mortgage broker about a streamlined or limited review, how that might affect the purchase, and also with your mortgage broker, with your real estate broker, somebody who's familiar with this. In our case, we were able to close the deal because the buyer came along and we were able to get a streamlined or limited review. One of the 2 owners was not living there, hence it was 50% owner occupied. The troubling part of that was 50%, hence was tenant occupied, and that would have caused a big problem. So be sure to check on this.